Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you read by the title, we're going to be talking about Sephora Holiday Sets. Now y'all, this is a little bit different. I'm going to tell y'all what's in the sets and then give my opinion on whether or not you should be buying it, because it seemed like a deal, but is it really a deal? We gonna see. But before we get into this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. We on the road to 1K, y'all. We are at 939 subscribers by the time I am recording this video. I'm so excited. I'm so happy and grateful for this journey. But once again, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, support your girl, help me get to 1K. My birthday is actually this Saturday, so if you don't mind, for my birthday, subscribe to the channel, but also leave me a testimonial for the Sephora squad. The link will be in the description down below, y'all. But let's go ahead and get into this video, because I really wanted to be a quick video, y'all, but knowing me, quick is not in my vocabulary. These holiday sets are going to be available for the Sephora savings event. If you do not know what that event is, refer back to my last video where I'll tell you about the event and also recommendations to get if you are a beginner or want to try new products and you are a dry skin girly. Go ahead, check that video out. But let's go ahead and get into the holiday sets. Now, these holiday sets, they have makeup, they have skincare, they have hair care, they have some for men, they got perfumes, y'all, they got some of everything. But I'm gonna pick the Sephora favorite ones, of course, and maybe a couple of skincare and maybe perfumes. I don't know, we gonna see, y'all, but I know majority of this video is gonna be about the Sephora favorites. So let's go ahead and get into it. First, we're gonna be talking about the Precious Pout Lip Kit. Now this comes with 9 products, y'all, 9 products for the price of $54. Now, depending on the size of the product, it could be a good thing or a bad thing. So we're gonna get into the products that they actually have. So they have a mixture of full size and mini size products, but we're gonna talk about the full size products first. So for the full size product, they have Makeup by Mario Plumping Lip Serum. They also have the Sephora Collection Retractable Lip Liner, and they also have Glossier Lipstick in Deep Mauve. This also includes a deluxe size NARS Satin Lipstick, and the minis include Selena Gomez Lip Oil, Fenty Beauty Mini Gloss Balm, Tarte Juicy Lip Plump, VS Saint Laurent Lip Gloss Stick, and Huda Beauty Lip Pencil. Now they put some great products in there, y'all. They really put the favorites of what the girls are buying, and I love that. But there are 2 things in there that I feel like for me would not be worth trying out because of the shades, and that would be the lip liners that they have. Now if you are a lighter tone, go ahead, you might actually love it, but for the dark skin girls like myself, those 2 products will not be much of a use for us, and I kind of hate that, because of course they can't really give you a variety. Like, let's be for real, every girl trying to get this. I would say if you can like get by with the lip liners, you will actually like this, because everything in here is expensive, it's affordable. You get a $54 worth of product, because keep in mind the gloss balm alone is probably gonna be like $30-some. The Glossier lipstick is probably gonna be like $20-some. Like, lip liner alone might be like $20. So that's 3 products, that's $60, and you get 9 for $54. So regardless of the lip liners, this is still a good deal because you get to try the product. And that's one thing I love about holiday sets, is that if you are unsure about the product, you get to try them and see if you like them first before you buy the full size. Next, y'all, they have their perfume sampler. Now this thing retails for $95, but it has 18 samples. Now me personally, that I'm not even gonna get into it, y'all. That's enough for me, because based off of what I'm seeing here, I'm probably not gonna like over half of this stuff. Like, they're the best, but like, what the notes on it? Like, I feel like they should have grouped the notes together and like made like different types of perfume sets. Like, if you like a woodsy smell, if you're floral, if you're clean, you know, instead of like putting like their top bulk, because not everybody likes the same perfume. But I see what they were trying to do, so I really cannot be mad at them about that. The next one, y'all, is their Cozy and Clean Makeup and Skincare Kit. Now this has 9 products in it. 9 products, $64. No, let's see how many minis and how many full sizes they got first. So for full size, they have their Oasis Plump and Juicy Lip Booster. They also have the Amy Cole Hydrating Lip Treatment Oil and Bliss, which is a subtle light pink. They also have their LYS or Liss Higher Standard Satin Matte Cream Blush, and also the Merit Flush Balm Cream Blush as well. Now they do have a deluxe size. Okay, they have 3 deluxe sizes. They have the Ilia Lip Sketch Hydrating Lipstick and Liner. They also have the Ola Hendrix Banana Bright and Instant Glow Moisturizer, and the Summer Fridays Jet Lag Mask and Moisturizer. And then for mini sizes, they have the Sei Glow Super Gel Lightweight Dewy Multi-Purpose Illuminator. They have Kylie Ray or Kaylee Ray, I don't know, I can't talk. But Cali Ray So Blonde Blurring and Hydrating Collagen Peptide Primer. Necessier. I don't know. Necessier The Body Retinol Repair Serum. These are a handful, y'all. These are a handful to say. But because they got 3 deluxe sizes in there, y'all, it might be worth it for $64. Because we already know Ola Hendrix is high as ever. We also have blush and lip products and also moisturizers. So for $64, I'm on the fence, y'all. I'm really on the fence about this product, but it might be worth it. Like, if I had the money, I would like buy these and show y'all and like go from there, but I don't have it. So the next one is their Lash Stash To Go mini set. Now this one is only $28, y'all. You get 5 products in there. Now $28 for 5 products, that's roughly $5 a piece, like $5 some change, which is not terrible, which I actually love, but they are minis. Now, depending on what the minis are, they will be a steal. It includes their Tartelette Extra Large Tubing Mascara, their Grand Lash Grande Mascara Conditioning, whatever, Benefit Cosmetic Fan Fest Fanning and Volume Mascara, Milk Makeup Rise Lifting and Lengthening Mascara, and Lancome Lash Idole Lengthening and Voluming Mascara. Now, I have heard great things for 4 of the mascaras out of the 5, and they're all minis, y'all, and you get a good variety of which ones to try. Obviously, the girl love a good voluming mascara. I don't hold y'all, I do too. So $5 a piece, $28, that's not bad. I would actually get that to figure out what type of mascara I like the most. The next one is the Bold and Blushing Blush Lip Kit. Now this one is $42 for 6 products. It's like $7 a product, and that's not bad considering that you're getting 6 products, but like I said, is the product worth trying? So you have 3 full size and 3 minis, and the full size include the Dessa Myers Yummy Skin Blurring Balm Powder, the Lawless Pinch My Cheeks Soft Blur Cream Blush in Angel, and the Refined Lip Blush in Wine. And then for minis, you have the Summer Fridays Lip Butter Balm for hydration, the Patrick Ta Mini Major Volume Plumping Lip Gloss, and Pat McGrath Lust Lip Gloss. Now, if they would switch out the Patrick Ta Mini for a full size, we might be good on that one, because Patrick Ta is really that girl, but they give you a lip gloss and it's a mini lip gloss. I understand Patrick Ta is expensive, but for $42, like, he should put the full size in there. I mean, the Dessa Myers did. My girl put the full size in hers, so yeah. But out of 6 of those, y'all, I'm not gonna hold y'all, out of 6 of those, I'll probably only want to try 3, probably 4 if we're gonna include Summer Fridays. I don't know, I'm not that good at that. Y'all let me know in the comments if you would try that one. I would be on the fence about it, but once again, it will probably be a 50-50, leaning to 60-40 if I'm really feeling the other products, because the colors that they have on there, y'all, is kind of iffy, because once again, I am dark skinned, so it would be a question of whether or not I can get the colors to look good on my skin as well. The next one, y'all, is a travel perfume set for $35, and you actually get 8 different scents. Now, that sounds so good from the outside looking in, because you got 8 for $35. Granted, it's probably like, yeah, they'll be like $4 and like some change or whatever each, which is not bad, which is not terrible. So I would be more so wanting to do this one than the other one, because yeah, but let's see what perfumes they're actually putting in there to see if they're worth the price or not. So they have Charlotte Tilbury Love Frequency, Armani Beauty Aqua di Giora, something, whatever. Joe Malone London Wood Sage and Sea Salt Cologne for men. They also have Kayali Vanilla. They also have the Kylan Paris Born to Be Unforgettable, the Love Shack Fancy Forever in Love, Valentina Donna Born in Roma, and Victor and Rolf Flower Bomb. Now, I see what they did. They put some new ones in this one that's not in the other one. However, once again, I don't know if I want to try all of them, but $4 and something each for 8 for $35 is not bad. So I'll be leaning more towards getting this one over the one they cost like $95 for 18, y'all, because over half of those products I wasn't interested in trying, so there was no point. They have another makeup kit, and it's called the Glam and Glitz Makeup Kit. Now this retails for $45 for 7 products, which technically isn't bad because it's a little bit over $6 per item. So for full size, they have the Glossier Cloud Paint Gel Cream Blush. They have the Beauty Blender Makeup Sponge. Are y'all serious? Anyways, I also have the Marriott Signature Lip lightweight satin lipstick, and then they have 3 deluxes, which is the Laura Mercier Caviar Stick eyeshadow, the Makeup Forever Aqua Resistant Color Pencil Eyeliner, and the Armani Beauty Prisma Glass Lip Gloss. And the only mini they have, y'all, is the Brow Freeze Extreme Hold Laminated. I'm assuming my Anastasia Beverly Hills. Now there's only one bad thing in this that I feel like they is wrong for, and it's that beauty blender. Other than that, this would have been a solid holiday kit, but of course they put a beauty blender in there. Like, I could buy those. I ain't paying $6 for one. But with the other things, y'all, I'm not mad about the price or anything of that nature. I just felt like they should have switched that beauty blender out for something else because that was unnecessary. But I guess that is, the popular thing that they're selling, which is insane. But would I buy that regardless? Yes, I think everything is priced well. You do have some more name brand things, which is what I'm loving. Like, the other stuff is name brand, y'all, but am I gonna buy it? Like, the target audience, like, will I get it? Now, I know I'll talk about the colors and the shade ranges for dark skinned girls, and a lot of these I'm looking at, y'all, the shade ranges look good. But right now, y'all, I think the Glitz and Glam kit is perfect to get. Like I said, everything is probably like $6 or so, like, per item. I have more variety of what I can use and what I am willing to use, rather than the other one I did not. So I think they gave you a great amount of product in there, and I think it is worth getting. And I love how this one, in my opinion, is tailored towards dark skinned girls as well. All right, y'all, so that is it for the Sephora favorites kit. Now I'm going to get into some of the other brands that have their holiday kits out that I feel like is worth trying. But the first one, y'all, is from Milk Makeup, and it is their Hydro Grip set. Now they have the normal, popular, fan favorite regular Hydro Grip, and I love that one, y'all. I rave by that one. They're also including the Glow Primer one. Now I haven't tried the Glow Primer one, and I am a dry skin girly, but I don't want to look too illuminated, let me say that. So if you're somebody who don't know they want to look illuminated, or like, you know, just regular, I would say try that out to see which one better fits you and your makeup preference, because I don't want you to buy the full size one and you don't like it, and then you gotta take it back and gotta do all that. I'd rather you test it out, try the minis to see if you like either one or if you like both. Now the next one is from Dessa Myers, and it is her lip and cheek set. Now you get 4 different shades in here. You get some minis and you get some normal size, and it is priced at $35. Now I feel like that is a good price for the Dessa Myers products, because honey, her products are amazing and they are long lasting. A little bit goes away. Now, do I feel like it could have been a little bit cheaper? It depends, y'all, because it depends on how much they cost each. I feel like that she did put the more normal type of blushes as the bigger shades, and then like the very vibrant ones as the little, just so you won't run out of the normal shades that people normally use for blushes, and you still have a little bit of that, you know, that vibrant color for the holidays or whatever the case may be. Which is why I was saying $35 is not bad for the Dessa Myers products if you get 4, because baby, like, you're paying like over $8 or so for like one, and that's not mad, because normally her brushes range around what, like $20 to $30, probably even more. I might like lowballing her, but I think this is a great thing to try if you want to try the Dessa Myers blushes, especially for me, because I ain't gonna hold y'all, I'm leaning over here, but definitely worth a try if you have it. And the last product I think you need to try, y'all, is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask kits. Now y'all, it is priced at $21 and you get 5, y'all. That is like less than $5 sleeping mask. Now they are the minis, I'm not gonna hold you, they are the minis, but they last. And like, if you use them every day, okay, cool, they still will last if you got 5 of them. Like, you could make it last for like maybe 2 weeks or so, depending on how much product you use, because a little bit goes a long way with Laneige. But I think that is worth it, y'all. Unless you want to buy just one big one, you can. But if you want to look at the different type of options as far as the fragrance and the different type of smells, that would be perfect for you if you want to try something new, but not necessarily new. All right, everyone, and that is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, this is something different for me, y'all, so I hope that y'all once again still enjoy it. Even though I don't have it in front of me, I did read it off and gave my honest opinions on it. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I am a little bit disappointed, because I was hoping that for the skincare they put maybe like a cleanser, a toner, you know, like something in there that is also selling great, but they didn't. They just left it with like lip products and moisturizers. I don't know how I feel about that. Let me know down below what you all think about these products, which one you thinking about getting, which one you think that it's worth the money, not worth the money, anything of that nature, y'all. Once again, y'all, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We're on the road to 1K. We are less than 70, almost less than 60 away, y'all. Like, So surreal moment. And also don't forget to leave me a testimonial down below for the Sephora squad. That link is still up and it's almost a deadline, but y'all go ahead, leave me a testimonial, support your girl. Once again, y'all, thank you all for watching. I hope you all have a great rest of your week. Now y'all know my birthday is Saturday, November 2nd. Yes, so I'm gonna have fun, hopefully I'm gonna have fun, y'all. But I hope you all have a great weekend. I hope y'all all enjoy the weekend. I hope you all, if you do spend so much money at Sephora, I hope that you have fun shopping first, because I have to wait till the 5th. Yeah, but anyway, once again, y'all, I hope y'all have a great week, and I will see y'all Sunday with a new video. Bye.